The industrial atomic force microscope developed and produced by Suzhou Feynman is the first large-scale industrial atomic force microscope in China to achieve commercial production. One-click automatic scanning, capable of programming multiple test points for fast and automated detection. The sample stage has strong expandability and is very convenient for multi-instrument combination to achieve in situ detection. Gantry scanning head design, marble base, vacuum absorption stage. The sample size and weight are almost unlimited, making it particularly suitable for testing large samples such as wafers, ultra-large gratings, and optical glass. Integrated mechanical vibration damping and environmental noise shielding solutions greatly reduce system noise levels. Keep the sample stationary while scanning the image, and drive the probe to perform XYZ 3D motion measurement imaging. Scanner nonlinear correction editor offers nano characterization and measurement accuracy better than 98%.